Don't dream about beauty. All it spoil your duty. Always dream about duty. It's make your life beauty. Have a warm and pleasant good morning to all present here. Meet me. I'm Ajit at Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center. Today I'm going to discuss a very beautiful topic named beauty. Okay, and Abhishek and Shushant both Macmillas. Actually, they are my support system. Okay, and they both explain on beauty. And first of all, I want to thanks to Vikram sir for giving this type of opportunity to improve myself. So, without wasting time, let's start. What is beauty? Why it is necessary in this world? Actually, beauty is something which is very important for every person. Beauty is something which gives us relaxation, happiness, love. So that's why beauty is important. In our young generation, we are living in a youth. Okay, and in young generation, most of us are suffer with depression. Why? Because lack of beautiful nature, lack of beauty, lack of happiness, lack of love. That's why most of them are in depression. Okay, and right now everybody knows. Right now we are in a pandemic situation, so this is very worst condition for India for our economic. That's why most of them are jobless. Okay, and that's why most of them are taking very hazardous state, which is suicide type of suicide. It is not good. So according to me, if they have beautiful partners, if they have beautiful thoughts, then they never take this type of steps. Okay, so that's why it is very important. Beauty is very important. Just example, I am a lover of nature. Okay, so for me, when I see group of birds, okay, moving over on my head, at that time I feel beauty. Okay, I feel happiness. So this is beauty for me. Okay, so for example, our soldiers serve their whole life for country, for nation. Okay, for prevent peoples who live in India. So this is beauty. This is beauty of bravery. Without any thought, they take bullets on his chest. Why? Because they are brave. Okay, and this type of proud is beauty. In 2008, Avinav Bindra won gold medal. Okay, for India in Beijing Olympic. Okay, so this is beauty. This is the beauty of proud. We all are Indians, and we all proud of us. Okay, why? Because we win gold, and this is a very huge moment at that time where we celebrate this type of occasions. Okay, and in 2011, MS Dhoni, captain of India, guidance of captain of MS Dhoni, we win the 2011 World Cup. Okay, which is also rare. Because in 1983 we won World Cup, and after long time we won this. So this type of very important moments come in a very small stage. So that's why it is very proud moment for Indians. Okay, so in 2013 also, so our ISRO scientists are able to in first attempt they are able to our bomb missions, they are able to in first attempt they are able to reach in first attempt, which is also very beautiful. Okay, which is also proud moment. So all these type of things are in beauty, comes in beauty, count in beauty. Okay, because beauty is something which is invisible, which is unexplainable. Okay, so that's why it is necessary for every person. Please check your beauty in your surrounding. And beauty are of two types, internal and external. So first of all, I'll say please explain about external beauty.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for calling me here. Hey guys, have a warm and pleasant good evening to all of you here at Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center. Hey guys, I am Abhishek, and today I got a very wonderful topic that is external beauty, and I also am very proud to be a pillar of this group. And now I am going to describe about what is external beauty. External beauty means our nice figure and attractive smile, and it has two types. One is the good and another is the bad. First, I tell about good. External beauty more help us to for getting job, and external beauty means our dress up style, our look, face look, and our manners. And it is very important because I have this, then we will win the trust of frontier people and societal people, and make a reputation among and in front of parents, relatives, and friends. and if we have that thing, then we will call complete person. But some person have no external beauty, then they will recognize as a bad person in the society. But the person have external beauty, then they are recognizing as a good person in the society. But it also bad for us, because sometimes those persons who have more and more external beauty, they are using not for good purpose, they always use for bad purpose. Like for example, the person have more and more external beauty, but he loses their lots of expensive time for taking selfie and for uploading photos on social media. So that is so wrong. If they use their lots of expensive time for social work and for their work, then it is the best uses of outer beauty. Hence there are many more example of external beauty, like the people have long hair, long nail, and the people look very dirty, then nobody want to attract with him and nobody want to talk with him, and that person face many type of difficulties in the society. On the other hand, the person have good personality, good dress up style, and good look up, then all body want to talk with him and all body want to attract with him, and the person get many type of respect in the society, and the person live very happily in the society. And the importance of external beauty is many more in our life. At last, external beauty fits with time. It means it tells us time will pass day by day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Abhishek, for explanation about external beauty. Actually, external beauty is very important in this world, because our ancestors say first impression is the last impression. Why? Because first impression means external beauty. He want to explain what is the importance of external beauty. External beauty is very important for attraction. Okay, because whenever you meet someone, at that time someone looks your external beauty. Okay, because they are unaware with your internal beauty. That's why. Okay, and right nowadays we are living in a fake world. Okay, so that's the external beauty is very important. For example, whenever actually this is very important for girls mostly, because whenever someone's come for marriage, at that time they first of all they see their external beauty, and whenever girls are not looking very smart, zero figure type, at that time they face rejection type of situations. Okay, so that's why external beauty is very important. And now I invite my second friend, my second partner, my second pillar, Shushan, explain about internal beauty.
Thank you for calling me, Bhaiya. Hello guys, good evening. Good evening to all of you. I am Sushant Kumar from Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center as well as English Academic Center run by Bikram sir. Guys, this is a very golden opportunity for me, and this opportunity is have come by Bikram sir. So guys, we should clap for Bikram sir. Now I come on my point. My point is internal beauty. Guys, do you know what is internal beauty? Internal beauty means a character of any person, a manner of any person, a personality of any person. This is called internal beauty. Guys, if you go in any interview, by the help of internal beauty, if you go in any interview, first of all, interviewer judge your external beauty, and after seeing you and after seeing your internal beauty, interviewer select you. Okay, by the help of internal beauty. Guys, if you go outside from the home, if you go outside from the city, then many persons know you by your internal beauty. Guys, day to day, your age is increasing as well as your external beauty is decreasing. But in case of internal beauty, day to day your age is increasing as well as your internal beauty is increasing. And if you have a good internal beauty, then every person know you. Your personality is good. By the help of internal beauty, we make happy, and by the internal beauty we make a good relationship with anyone. Okay guys, and guys, by the internal beauty, if you have a internal beauty good, if you have a good internal beauty, then after dying you, any persons talk about you because your internal beauty is good, and every person know you by your internal beauty, because your behavior is good, your manner is good, your discipline is good, then everything is your good by your internal beauty. If you go outside from the city, and any unknown person is come in front of you, first of all unknown person is judge you by your external beauty, and then unknown person make a relationship with you after judging your internal beauty. If your internal beauty is good, then every person want to make a relationship with you because your internal beauty is good, and every person know this persons have a good internal beauty, this persons have no bad internal beauty, this persons I live with this person, I feel comfortable because this persons have a internal beauty good. And guys, one important thing is that in internal beauty, by the help of internal beauty, we make a home in any person's heart. Okay guys, so guys, and I hope you keep your internal beauty good, and for make a happy life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shashank, for explain on the internal beauty. Actually, in this world, internal beauty is very important if you want to survive and if you want to achieve something. Okay, so that's why internal beauty is very important. Actually, external and internal is work as a weapon. Okay, if you have external and internal both, then you are successful man. Okay, so that's why you heard about Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Okay, Nawazuddin Siddiqui belonged from a very poor family, but because of his internal beauty, they achieved everything. Okay, and right now he is a star. Okay, he has he have a name, fame, prosperity, everything. Okay, so this is the important role of internal beauty. So that's the internal beauty is very important. Okay, so lastly, I want to say that please guys, there is a lack something. Okay, there is an empty place in your life. Okay, to please fulfill it with happiness, with love, or there is a need of it. Okay, why? Because in this fast world, in this fake world, in this competitive world, it is necessary. So that's why, according to my perspective, because of this lackness, because of this empty place, that's why most of students, most of our youngsters take society type of things. Okay, so think this is not good. This is not good for our young generation. That's why there is a need to spend your time with yourself. It is necessary. Thank you.